A desperate search for their loved ones' resting place. And finally, Mokata's family find their son Hope's grave.
I almost gave up, thinking my son doesn't want me to visit him.
But there's more than meets the eye here. When the 23-year-old was laid to rest in 2001, someone else allegedly buried on top of him 5 years later. Now, a devastated mother must explain the disturbing news to her son. She first asks for forgiveness, and she informs him about their pleas to get this corrected, falling on deaf ears. A family experiencing psychological torture. They are stripped of rituals and tradition.
As Africans, we perform rituals in remembrance of our loved ones. I used to ignore the practices, but it haunted me. And when we were on our way here, I asked my daughter, what if there's a wrong tombstone on my son's grave? And indeed, that's what we found when we got here. It broke our hearts.
The disturbing details were confirmed by an official. Theirs is also a plea to preserve the dignity of the departed. Authorities suspect two scenarios.
What we're busy is trying to investigate because the numbers are a bit confusing. The first number is 1659, the second one is 1569. So you might find that what has happened is that the people that came to erect the stone were not sure whether their number is 15 or is 16. So what we're going to do is to go back to the family, the 1569 family, and find out from them if they've buried.
SABC News, Dobsonville in Soweto.